reason of the existence of their life. So let's give a round of applause for the parents of Charmaine and Charles, Mr. Nico and Mrs. Minda. Yan. Sige po, palakpakan po natin. And syempre, let us call on the celebrants, none other than Charmaine and Charles. A round of applause. Happy 11th and 7th birthday to you.
Ayun, Charles, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. Maging mabait lang at maging magalang kila mama, kila tatay sa mga lolo't lola.
Una sa lahat, gusto kong matingin ang pinakamagandang pamangkin. And to the Charles, happy birthday. Sana matapad niyo lang yung mga wishes sa buhay. Yun lang.
First of all, to the family of Jeff Mendoza family and our compadre and kumare. Happy 7th birthday. We wish you all the best in life. Stay sweet, witty, and pretty, talented. Charles, happy birthday. Put God first. Thank you.
Yeah, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, lumaki ka ng ayos. Pagpatuloy mo lang yung palagi kang sweet tuwing makakasalot ka namin, nakikita ka namin. Yun na.
The dawn is breaking, a light shining through. You're barely waking, and I'm tangled up in you. Yeah. But I'm open, you're closed. Where I follow, you go. I worry,
Naway, pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon. Gabayan kayo nawa at bigyan ng malusog na pangangatawan at maligayang
even the
buhay.
best for
Maligayang karawan sa inyong dalawa.
and even the wrong words seem to rhyme out of the doubt that fills your mind. I somehow find you and I collide. You and I collide.
Kaganda sa inyong dalawa. Sana pagpatuloy nila yung pag-aaral. Magpana kayo sa artista yung magulang.
I'm quiet, you know. You make a first impression.
Always remember that you're loved by the people around you. Keep shining and dreaming. We're always here to guide and support you. Happy birthday din, Charles. Always remember to love one another. Because at the end of the day, we will find there to complete each other.
To shine out of the back, you fall in time. I somehow find you and I collide. Don't stop. I lost my place.
Happy birthday to lumaki kayong palaging malusog, masayahin at mababait ng mga bata. Dalangin ko na palagi kayong babayan ng Diyos at punuin ng pagmamahal. Palagi kami nandito ni Daddy para sa inyo. Tagapagtanggol nyo, kakampi nyo, at bigaspan nyo sa lahat ng oras. We love you, Charles and Jeremy.
You and I collide. You finally find. You and I collide. Oh, you finally find.
Sa dalawang anak na good health at mag-aaral ng mabuti, tapos may takot sa Panginoon at lumaki ng maayos. Yun lang.
Collide.